Hello, Rockstar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a means of totally transforming your life, this is the channel for you to subscribe. If this is your first time, feel free, hit on the subscription bell and get notified anytime I post valuable content such as this. Have you ever thought of how you can earn passive income forever? Now, passive income is one of the sources you can get to financial freedom. It helps you do the things that you would wish to do. And in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can earn passive income forever if you do this one thing. If you are ready, let's go straight to today's video. So let me begin with the introduction. We are a multinational manufacturing giant. We have been manufacturing 100% organic based products, and we are OEM for Marks and Spencer, Elizabeth Arden, Avon, GSK, Tesco, Walmart, Adidas, and so many international brands that you know of. We have been able to achieve this because we have researched into our products. We have 7 research and development centers across the globe, and these centers are responsible for manufacturing these high-class products. These products ranges from healthcare product, childcare product, pet care product, daily care products, and so many products that you can think of. Currently, we are registered in 183 countries, but we have head offices and in 30 countries globally. We are operating in Africa, the USA, Europe, and Asia. In Africa, we are in Ghana, South Africa, Sierra Leone, Botswana, Mozambique, Nigeria, Togo, Zanzibar, Mauritius, and we are also in Kenya. And we simply want to extend our hand to you to use this high-class product, and we want you to switch your brands. Stop using the other brands that you're using and use our products. This is because we are paying you for using our product. Now, there are 10 different ways that we pay you. There is the cash incentives and there is the lifestyle incentives. The cash incentives include the performance bonus, leadership bonus, development bonus, maintenance bonus, and the retail. These bonuses range from 10% to 45% a week, and they are paid simultaneously straight into your bank account. The lifestyle incentive is about transforming your lifestyle, changing your lifestyle. Now, there is the all expense paid trip to a designated country 3 times in a year. This is held in an awards ceremony where qualifiers and partners who qualify for these trips are taken on a vacation, 2 weeks vacation, and they come back rejuvenated. In Ghana, they've been to Dubai, China. I saw Germany could not take place, and all you need to do is take your bag and some clothes and some shoes and get on board. The company is going to take care of you for these 2 weeks. You're going to tour places that you've never been before, or places that you wish you be, and sleep in a 5-star hotel, dine in a 5-star hotel. There is the brand new car award. The car awards are for members who qualify for this. Now, the car award is held twice in a year here in Ghana. It's in April and December, and these cars are rewarded to people who qualify for these cars. I've witnessed 2 of these car awards, and I saw people take home car. There is also the 150,000 US dollar house fund. This is given to you for you to build a house of your own, or they build a fully finished house worth 150,000 US dollars. Now, calculate the 150,000 US dollars and convert this amount into your local currency. And when you do that, leave the answer below in the comment section. I'd like to see how much it is in your local currency. So there is also the last one that drives me every day. That's my motivation, is the educational scholarship. There is 3 types of educational scholarship. There is the BA educational scholarship to study in social university. There is the MA educational scholarship, and there is executive MBA educational scholarship. Now, this is my driving force because when I was in school and money was difficult. I could not pay my fees because my mom was not financially strong. And during the exam of the examination board would arrange the seats in our exam hall, and if I bear the index number 34, they would skip the index number 34 because I've not been able to fully pay my fees, and those who were not also able to pay their fees had no seats at all. So in this case, we would be stranded. We'll be chasing people up and down the examiners to speak to them so that they consider us to write our exam. And this would occur in a period of 1 hour to 1 hour 30 hours. And before you get a seat and a paper, you will be drained for writing your exam. So, and when I met this platform, I seized the platform and I'm sharing this good news with you. So how do you turn this into passive income? How is this related into passive income? Now, if we do these things every day, you buy products every day, you take your bath every day, you buy soap every day, you buy soaps for washing your clothes, you buy detergents, you buy diapers, you buy pet care products for your dogs, for your cats. Now, this organization manufactures these products already. So we are asking you to rather stop using those brands and then patronize our brands, and let's pay you. Calculate the period between you buying pet products for your pet for the period of say 5 years and multiply and see how much money you have enriched somebody with. So you have been doing this all the time. So you buy and then we pay you. You buy from us, we pay you. It's easy as that. If you want to use this platform as a business, I'm going to keep a link below in the description where you can use this as a business. Now, when you start using our product, because this is good news and you want to change somebody's life. Now, this particular platform is people with big hearts like me. I want everybody to have a better life. So I am sharing this with you. Now, you also can share this information with your friend. Now, the more you share this information to your friends and your friends get on board, the company pay you for your friends getting on board. So as I was saying, these are the things that we do every day. We refer our friends to the nearest food joint, to the nearest hair salon, and these hair salon owners only say thank you with word of mouth, and they do not actually enrich our pockets. Now we are asking you that because we care about you, we think about you, we believe that you deserve a life of financial freedom. We extend our hand to you to use our products, and we pay you for using our products. So this is how you channel all the energy you've been using to buying other products and you get nothing into something profitable. Now, this is also passive income because the friend whom you share the information with also shares the information with some other friend, and the friend that other friend that who joins the organization, you earn a percentage on that friend who partners. So let's say I share the information with you and you share the information with your friend. Your friend shares the information with another friend. You earn on your friend who has shared the information with the last friend. Now, this is passive income. You do not involve yourself in sharing the information with this other friend of your friend, but then you are earning based on that. These lifestyle awards that are given to you, the all expense paid trip, the cars, the 150,000 US dollars, and the educational scholarship, this can be given to you in cash incentive. If you do not want these rewards, you can use this money to start another business and you will profit and transform your life. If you want to start as soon as possible, just leave a comment below. Start in the comment section. I'm going to reach you by email and we are going to get you started as soon as possible, and we both reach the top together. I'm also going to leave a link below in the description where I show you, I have done a video on that, on how you can start, you can register with us. You register with us, the registration process, what it entails for you to register, and I'll leave it in the description and you can check it out. So this is how you can earn passive income forever with this organization. That is using the company's product, sharing the information with all of your friends and everybody to transform their lives. So if I have provided you with value, rockstar, feel free share this video to all the platforms that you're on. You are going to transform somebody's life by doing this, and I really do appreciate you for watching. So once again, my name is Obapa Eviajeche. I will come by your way some other time, and I will see you at the top. Don't forget to subscribe. It's bye bye for now. See you.